This video will focus on how to win any deal using market data. Are you negotiating in the dark? Without proper data, you might be. Guessing your position makes your negotiation weak. Opinions, regardless of how strong you feel about them, never win negotiations. Data equals credibility. It provides a solid foundation for your arguments. Focus on 3 key areas: prices, deals, and market trends. Drop the data anchor. Use market data to anchor your position and set the standard for the negotiation. Beware of the classic salary trap, where people base their requests on feelings like, "I feel I deserve." Instead, let the market dictate. Use data to support what the market actually suggests. Facts are stronger than feelings. A dominant position is built on benchmarks, hard trends, and deals, not guesses, opinions, or charm. To win, you must research heavily and present your findings clearly. Combine data with calm confidence. This balance is key to a successful negotiation. Next, we will explore the negotiation sequence.